Parang wala na silang energy, still wala na ata sila energy.
What is up, Moa Arena? Moa Arena, make some noise! Moa Arena, did you miss us? Oh, really? Did you miss us? We miss you guys too. Woo!
Grabe.
Mahalimas are back after US tour. Balik Pinas nga ang SB19 after their US tour at diretso sila sa kanilang schedule para sa Acer Day 2025 sa MOA Arena nitong August 9. But with no excuses, still they give their best. Sa pag-perform and no lip-sync at all. Just wow! Because quality talaga before quantity ang talent ng Mahalima para sa mga 18s.
Yung sorpresa niyo para sa amin, we're very happy na makapag-perform ulit dito sa Pilipinas. Uy!
Ba't ka naging
Pilipinas? Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. 18! 18! Na-miss niyo ba kami? To be honest, sobrang na-miss namin kayo. We've been in the US for 1 month. And we are really looking forward to, para makapag-perform ulit in front of you guys. And we are very happy na ganito yung energy ninyong lahat. Kaya maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal na pinapadama niyo sa amin. From before up until now, 18, maraming salamat. We love you guys, for sure.
Yes. Nag-enjoy ba Moa Arena? Siyempre, bago po ang lahat, gusto rin namin magpasalamat sa bawat isa sa inyo na nandito ngayon. Napakagaganda at gagwapo niyo pong lahat. Thank you for coming here tonight. And we are so glad to share the stage, siyempre, with other amazing artists. Kaya naman, maraming salamat din po, especially kay Ninang Acer, and for having this evening showcase to showcase Filipino talents that always strive to break the limits.